Good morning everyone. Currently Ölüdeniz Main Street at the moment. Little bit of rain. Hopefully that will be last one. And then everybody from tomorrow will have the sunshine, getting brown. Look, my neighbor is clean up the water. Hopefully will be sooner stop. This is Tweety. Here we go. Currently, yeah, his farm's up, he's cleaning, he's pushing the water my shop too. And this is another handsome, he's waiting for for tattoo or hair braiding?
Hair braiding.
Hopefully we do another live stream with a sunshine day, guys. Yeah. All right.
Are you putting it on Facebook? Yes. What you doing?
My Facebook is called TweetyOurGuide. Here we go. Another little baby is playing with the water. You are on live. Привет. Hi guys. Tomorrow is sunny. If you want to book any day out, my name is Tweety. I can help you. See you on another one, guys. Have a lovely day.